Hi there, friends. Want your Samsung phone to record calls automatically without having to start recording each time? Samsung includes a built in auto call recording feature on many Galaxy devices, making it easy to save important conversations. Just remember that this feature may not be available in every country or on every carrier due to local regulations. To get started, launch the phone app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Once you're on the main screen, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner to open more options. From there, select Settings to access the phone settings. Next, scroll until you find Record Calls, then tap it. On the following page, choose Auto Record Calls. You'll see a switch at the top of the screen. Turn it on to activate automatic call recording. Now it's time to choose how you want the feature to work. Samsung gives you three recording options. All calls, every incoming and outgoing call will be recorded automatically. Calls with unsaved numbers. Only calls from numbers that aren't saved in your contacts will be recorded. Calls with specific numbers. Select certain contacts whose calls you always want to record. After choosing your preferred option, simply exit the settings. Your Samsung phone will now automatically record calls based on the option you selected, so you won't need to remember to start recording manually each time. Whenever you need to listen to a recorded conversation, open the phone app, go back to Record Calls, and access your saved recordings. Depending on your Samsung model and One UI version, recordings may also appear in the phone app's call history or a dedicated recordings folder. If you no longer want calls to be recorded automatically, the process is just as simple. Go back to the Record Calls page, then turn the main toggle switch off, and automatic recording will be disabled instantly. Any recordings you've already saved will remain on your device unless you delete them yourself. Before using call recording, make sure you're following the laws in your country, as recording calls without consent may not be permitted in some regions.